Are you ready to hop into something irresistibly sweet, a tad salty, and absolutely perfect for Easter? Well, buckle up because today we're crafting the ultimate bunny bait. In a large mixing bowl, let's bring together some crunchy rice checks, Captain Crunch for an unexpected twist, pretzel sticks, mini marshmallows for a dash of sweetness, and some freshly popped popcorn. Lightly salted or plain. Give it a gentle toss, and voila, you've got the base for our bunny bait. Melt about a half cup of white almond bark in the microwave according to your package instructions. And it's drizzle time. Pour that almond bark over our snack mix and stir gently. If you don't have almond bark, no worries, just use white chocolate chips. For more details on this switcheroo, check out the link to the recipe blog post below. We want to ensure everything is nice and coated, so take your time and don't crunch up the cereal. Spread the mixture onto a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This no-bake, super easy recipe is a fantastic way to create some magical kitchen moments with the kiddos, and I'm sure this will be their favorite part. Sprinkling the top with pastel M&Ms. I had some extra almond bark left over, so I added it to a zip top bag with a bit of pastel pink food gel and drizzled it over the top. Remember, this bunny bait recipe is more than just a snack. It's a fun, delicious journey that you can customize to your heart's content. Because cooking is all about making it your own, so feel free to play around and add more of your favorite goodies. I also like to sprinkle a bit of flaky sea salt to balance out the sweetness. Let it cool and set for about 15 minutes or pop it in the fridge for 10. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Break it into clusters and there you have it, bunny bait that's ready for any Easter festivity or just to make your day a little sweeter. If this recipe brought some joy to your day, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen adventures. Wishing you a basket full of fun and a very happy Easter. See you next time. Bye.